أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولقد جئناهم بكتاب فصلناه على علم هدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
We had given them a scripture, which we detailed with knowledge, guidance and mercy for people who believe.
هل ينظرون إلا تأويله يوم يأتي تأويله يقول الذين نسوه من قبل قد جاءت رسل ربنا بالحق فهل لنا من شفعاء فيشفعوا لنا أو نرد فنعمل غير الذي كنا نعمل قد خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
Are they waiting for anything but its fulfillment? The day its fulfillment comes true, those who disregarded it before will say, the messengers of our Lord did come with the truth. Have we any intercessors to intercede for us? Or, could we be sent back, to behave differently from the way we behaved before? They ruined their souls, and what they used to invent has failed them.